Again, Ijele don't come outside. Can't all say that Ndanambara is leaving Gentle Yahoo to determine what will happen in their state. That as sister right now, in they ready to work with the government to make sure say they capture Gentle Yahoo. My people, you don't ready do this fight. I don't know who will support them. But however, I want you to listen to what this Ijele talk before we come back and continue. Ijele, the king of Udele. It don't take you too much. Watch the video.
It's clear. Very simple. On Monday, 2nd February 2026, the entire land of Biafra across 13 states will be on lockdown. No movement, no transportation, no banking, no school, and no coming out. If you have anything to do, make sure you finish it by Sunday evening. This become necessary to let Soludo and his fellow Igbo Eflef know that we Biafrans, we are not bowing down to their intimidation of Onitsha market traders. Soludo cannot defeat Biafrans, and from today, any governor or Abuja around that talk nonsense against Biafra or about Biafra, we will cook for that person and his family. They will not finish it. Our land has been quiet, but Soludo put this fire on Biafra land. We will not warn you again, Soludo. We will not warn you again. Final warning to the Nigerian army, Nigerian police. If you obey Soludo and intimidate our own people, if you obey Soludo and intimidate our own people, it is a promise, not a threat. You must hear from us. Release Nnamdi Kanu, Onyendu, #1 citizen of Biafra land. Release him and let there be peace in Southeast. God bless Biafrans. God bless all.
See finish. Chai Anambrando. Ndanambrandonu. Just because of this Biafra nonsense. If not for Biafra, why would one Utobo from one bush in Okigwe? People that when you come to Imo State, we know they even rate them all. Apologies to Ndi Okigwe, but when I know say for Imo State, we know they rate on. Even on a brother where from our Okigwe territorial zone where they make governor only 110 on it. But now also from the lowest part of Okigwe, now you won't come they give Anambra condition. This Utobo where be say on I go bring out money now, fund better program within 6 months. Everybody where they near them, from politicians to the smallest follower, go like this, last one. Now you want come they give Okigwe Onitsha people condition. Anambra, whole Anambra, yeah. Obro we here kwena. Safu kwa no pam no be kerede. Ukuma madlange knede. Yeah. Muiberibe. Look at the also. And the thing is this. They will not send people from Anambra State to issue the threat, but it's still people from Anambra State that will do the job for them when the time comes. So that's why they sent this Uku Ifeanyi Eze, failed Okada man, failed carpentry apprentice. We fail like tomorrow no day. Now you walk on the Soludo Ndo. Sorry, sir. I am very sorry for you. Now check how the Ebonyi State governor did his.
So on this note, for the time being, the development union executive and all the villages in Amashi community is hereby dissolved. The traditional ruler certificate is hereby withdrawn. That's all. All the government appointee from Amasri is hereby sacked. All the government appointee from the management committee down to the commissioner, anyone from Amasri is hereby sacked. And all the village heads in all the Amasri villages, in all the villages in Amasri autonomous communities, hereby removed. For the time being, we will do more, and we will show everybody why we're government. Thank you very much.
You see what the Ebonyi State governor did there, right? This is what Governor Soludo needs to do in Asia, Iseke, Osumohu, and the virus, Mbosi. All the so-called politicians from there, because they are the ones giving them cover, go to Iseke area now. They are now telling them, oh, they will build houses for them. Are you encouraging them to do more or stop? That you want to placate a bunch of criminals that have by so many people. So how is this going to stop? And let me tell you, Anambrarians, everybody should be on high alert. Only security cameras will spare you people this time around. I'm predicting that they would do a serious crime. I mean by serious crime, I mean an attack that will scare people, especially from this evening. Anything from 8:30, there should be patrols everywhere, even midnight patrols, because these criminals will want to go and wreak some havoc on people, on innocent businesses. And if you people don't deal with them in all these places I just mentioned, Ekperi Magentle and his useless boys will not do this, because it's far from them and out of their jurisdiction. It will be Butuzo and Co. And all these places I mentioned is their triangle in Anambra State. There is nothing any of those politicians will do for Governor Soludo that anybody from their kindred, not to talk of their village, will not do for him. You don't owe them anything. You owe them nothing. Replace them with other people, more people that will be more loyal to you, without attaching this support for this Biafra, IPOB, ESN. And you people should stop distinguishing between Simon Ekpa people and Nnamdi Kanu. They are the same people. They are cut from the same cloth. Okay? These are if you want to reject evil, you reject it in total. Ichi ju ekwensu ju ya ka ndị Anglican. Ndị Catholic na-agụ aga m ajụ ekwensu na ọrụ ya niile. Mana ndị Anglican na-agụ aga m ajụ ekwensu na ọrụ ya niile, na mpako ya niile, na ihe efu nke ụwa ọjọọ nke a, na agụrụ mmehie niile nke dị n'anụ ahụ. It means you will reject Biafra, reject anyone peddling it, reject every single utobo that's claiming to defend you from what? So you believe that if Nigeria, the Nigerian government, really wants to fight Igbo, that is these ones that will stop them? It's because they have not done any real operation there, and they are kind of treating it with kid gloves. And some of these people they posted there are loyal to the politicians, and the politicians will always tell them what to do. The PA to the former GOC told me they once arrested people with arms, so many AKs, and they told them that, oh, it is what they are using to fight bandits in the north. How are weapons they used to fight bandits in the north going to be transported from the southeast? You mean they couldn't offload it in Lagos? And they would need civilians to transport them? How? See, if we really want to save ourselves, it's so easy. Other than that, this will continue. It's up to Governor Soludo to know what he will do. And you see these security people parading everywhere in Igbo. Only Onitsha people should be protecting Onitsha. Onitsha people have enough youth to take care of their security. You see, main market, all the exits and entrances to the communities hosting any of these major markets, Ogidi, Mpo, Onitsha. When it comes to Onitsha, you see Old Market Road area, you see Limca roundabout, you see Bridgehead side, you see Atani Road area, you see Okpoko, you see Mbuko Obede side, Mpepa, and all these areas, Obosi. If you put eyes on the ground there, the cameras can do this. What stops Anambra from hoisting drones all around the city? While you are preparing for the launch of drones like the Enugu State Governor did, how about to use all these surveillance drones, all this one for filming, to put eyes in the sky? Anybody that comes to try nonsense will not go home. And if any attacks happen, they by any person. The governor, you see how the state governor did his. Make sure every single person you appointed from that area is sacked. Remove all of them, bring people that will truly work. Other than that, nothing will fundamentally change. Thanks, my people.
My people, share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Anything where you get, any message where you going to send this Ijele, I bet me you send and give out. If you they watch this page and you know they follow them, I don't know the reason. May you try to give this page a follow so that you will get our update back to back.